Hi there, it's Inga, and this video will be interesting for those of you who have YouTube channel. You probably spent a lot of time. You may not be happy with your numbers and you're considering whether there is point to continue with your YouTube channel activities in 2020. And I'm going to share with you my year in review, and this was created by Tubebuddy. It's a brilliant tool, and I've realized that I haven't used it to its maximum. Yes, I am a subscriber, I use it. I highly recommend to anyone who wants to make their mark on YouTube to have Tubebuddy as a tool installed on your computer. And usually people brag about their big numbers. I have to warn you in advance. This is kind of like a walk of shame in numbers around YouTube. But my point is to showcase how we may be delusional about that we made so much effort and we don't understand why we are not getting results. So I never claimed that I'm a YouTube expert. In theory, I know how to make your YouTube channel visible, all the tips. The thing is, I rarely implement them, and you may be on the same path. So just acknowledge it. There is no judgment necessary or being shameful. The reason why I'm sharing this is to encourage you not to give up on your dreams to be visible and to serve more people. Okay, and here comes the numbers. It has a music, but I thought if I want to share it on Facebook, for instance, it may be not that brilliant idea and it may not be approved. So I don't have many subscribers. And these are my top 3 videos, with a shocking top video having 30 views. Woohoo! I was under impression that I really gave YouTube my all and I would be seeing different results. Well, subscribers gained 2 more than the last year, even though like numbers are insignificant. But it's not about this. It's about the concept to understanding your results, your numbers, and what you can do about. As I said, technically I shouldn't be sharing this because numbers are appalling. But my desire to encourage you to step up more is higher than my shame for these numbers. So you can see the views. Last year it was 5,000. This year it was only 1,440. But videos uploaded in 2018 were 50, whereas this year 31. So previous year it was at least once a week. This year it was even less. Hence the number of views went down, and it's understandable. So it's my favorite word. It's all about consistency, and it's all about planning. And I've just started serious content planning. So let's see what we are looking at your year ending. Even though it's all green, I know that it's not enough to make a mark, and I'm among those people whose YouTube video views are insignificant. And if I want to change, I need to change my strategy, I need to change my tactics, I need to be more consistent with my presence. So what I wanted to share with you today is this idea of know your numbers and build your strategy accordingly. It's end of the year when I'm recording this video, and it's a perfect time when you can start doing planning. And I've just run a challenge for members of Magical Creators, and this challenge helps them to plan the content for remaining part of December so they can enjoy holiday time. But the same principles can be used for planning every month. And planning is crucial. I hope it hit home. I would love to know whether you do YouTube videos. Put in the comments below. So you have your YouTube channel. Put the link to your YouTube channel. I would love to visit it. And if it's something close to my heart, I will definitely subscribe to your channel. And if you want to have a chat about your social media strategy, either YouTube or any other particular platform where you want to increase your visibility, it will be a link to book a complimentary chat with me, and let's see how I can help you. And let's have a great 2020.